Sherry May, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, I do.
Willie, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, I do.
I consider you as an answered prayer. I remember February of 2021, I asked Papa, anak ko, pangit ba ko? Anong walay nakagusto sa kuha? Then, anak ko, Papa, maning kamot ko siya ginawa, nga mauna ko kamatay sa iya, kay wala ko'y kauban. And then, God really answered my prayers. Kay katuna time, gipa sa Diyos ko na tanan akong tagaan man ko niya. Magpasalamat ko maayo. Pero kung wala, dawaton ako tanan. Kung mapasalamaton, gihapon ko sa Ginoo. Then after 2 weeks, I remember pa ko, kapag ako sit-sit, isip ko yung na, Lord, wala na Jude. Last na Jude. And then, nakambot ka.
Mama, I promise to love you for who you are and for who you are yet to become. I promise to be patient and to remember all the things between us are rooted in love. I promise to nurture your dreams and help reach them. I promise to share my whole heart with you and to remember to show you how deeply I care for you. No matter the challenges that may come on our way, I promise to love you loyally and fiercely as long as I shall live.
Join your hands together with the music. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the newest Mr. and Mrs. Willie and Sherry May Magno!
Willie and Sherry May, I welcome you to this Parish Church of Santa Ana, where we will be celebrating your special day, your wedding. And remember only one thing, that marriage is beautiful.
Ano nga, pre? Eh. Karos ka, pre? So, sa groomsmen, salamat kayo sa tanan sa pagsuporta. So, enjoy lang natin eh. Salamat.
Congrats para kay Pari Will.
Cheers! Boring.
Dili, butaan pa ito na gamay. Respeto sa mga ninuno, okay? Shot. Alo, oh my God. Ay! Oh, cheers na, pamina. Okay.
You take me places where the winds don't.
So, ang wish na ko karon, I'm very happy for her na finally nakita niya ang lalaki nga para sa iya, and I know her struggles. Ang mga, kumbaga, kung gaano siya ka-broken hearted before, but I thank God nga karon happy na kayo siya. O kabalo siya nga love kay nako siya.
We had our ups and downs before naging kita, pero thankful ko na nagstay ka sa kuha, nag-fight ko nimo over anyone, everything na nagtabo sa kuha. thankful kay ko. Some say na sila palagi nila. You are my palagi. You will always be and forever be my palagi.
Palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mong iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, tiyamante mo'y abutin. Ikaw pa rin aking bituin, nagtatangi kong kalangit hanggang sa huling sigla. Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal. Sa huli, palagi
But before everything and anything else, you were once my answered prayer. And I love you so much.
Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman